This video will give you a really quick tip on how to rank higher in the Fiverr search results. Before we get into it, be sure and click the like button, click the subscribe button, and let's go ahead and start. My name is Susan Fouche. I am a top-rated Fiverr seller, and my 6 steps to 6 figures does exactly that. It will get you to your first 6 figures on Fiverr. So part of the whole getting to the top of the search results in Fiverr has to do with your title, your description, and your tags. That's a small part of it though. Another piece of getting really high up in the search results on Fiverr is the number of reviews that you have and the quality of those reviews as well. So I don't know about you, but I do have clients who buy my services. They seem like they're really happy with everything. They have their orders delivered and they go ahead and approve it, and they never give me a review. So what do we do about those people? Because remember, it's your reviews that also is that piece of the puzzle of getting the top search results. So I have a way, I have a little method, a little trick that I do to get my buyers who have not given me a review for whatever reason to give me a review once all is said and done. So here's how that works. Part of Fiverr, they have these things called quick responses. And if you don't use quick responses, you really need to start using them. I've got a video, it's right here. If you can watch it, it's all about the quick responses that I use that move the order along and that are tailored towards getting a good review and just having really great rapport with the client and getting that repeat business as well. Be sure and watch that video. I've also got a link in the description to watch that video as well for the quick responses. But I have a very special quick response that I use at the end of the order, regardless. And when I use it in particular for clients who haven't given me a review, they're more likely to give me a review. So let me show you where that is. In your messages page, you can get to the quick reviews in other places, but this is a great way to do it in the messages page. There's this little lightning bolt down here at the bottom with a pink circle on it, and it just says use quick response. We'll go ahead and click on that. And these are all of my quick responses. You can see I've got a ton of them in there, and I use all of them. So this one in particular, let me find it. It's number 4, and it's called, hold on, where'd you go? Number 4, after order is closed. This is the one that I use that I really believe gets me reviews when the client has not given me a review after the order is closed. So let's take a look at it. All you have to do is just click on the little pencil icon, and that allows you to edit it, or you can just click on it and that'll just put it straight into the message box. But we'll just pretend like we're editing. So I'm going to click on the little pencil, and I can use the little curly braces to put in like the automatic insert of the buyer's profile name. However, I strongly recommend that you figure out what their first name is and you use it. I do have clients that I never know what their name is because even though I ask for it, they still don't tell me what their name is. So this is for those rare instances where you use their username, but typically you're always going to want to use their first name. So this is number 4 because I have 4 quick responses that I use throughout the order, and this is the one I use after the order is closed, and it also gets me some reviews. So it just simply says, I appreciate you as a client, and I wanted to tell you again, thank you for your business. As always, I'm here for you. I look forward to hearing from you soon about helping you with more voiceovers. Sincerely, Susan. So all this is just doing is just saying, hey, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for hiring me. And it nudges the client in that direction of writing me a review if they haven't written me a review. If you've never bought anything on Fiverr, you don't know this, but if you have bought things on Fiverr, you do know that once the order is closed, Fiverr will bug you to write a review for your seller. So they bug you like 2 or 3 times, like, hey, how was the service? Please write a review. Because Fiverr likes those analytics themselves. They want to know who's doing a great job because that helps them know who they need to promote. Remember, Fiverr is a business. They're trying to make money too. That's their main thing. So they're going to promote the sellers who are getting these really great reviews. If you're still doing a great job, but for whatever reason your buyers are not writing your reviews, you need to bug them also to get them to write you a review. Now, even though this quick response doesn't specifically ask for a review, you can specifically ask for a review in this. You can't ask, Fiverr won't allow you to ask for a 5-star review, but you can definitely say, hey, when you get a chance, please write me a review. It really helps me in my Fiverr analytics, and I would just appreciate it. However you want to, word it. You can specifically come out and ask for a review, or you can do like me, which is just a gentle nudge. Thanks so much for your business. I really appreciate it. And that's that. But I will say that I do get more reviews when I use this number 4 after order is closed quick response than when I don't. And in case you were wondering, I actually do use this every single time I have an order. Even if they have written me a review or they haven't written me a review, it doesn't matter. I always go ahead and do this. But I do find that the people who haven't written me a review are more likely to go ahead the next time Fiverr bugs them to write a review, they write me a review. Okay, enough said about that. All right, we're talking about SEO. To learn more about SEO and the title and the description and the tags, which also bumps you up to the top search results, you'll want to go ahead and watch this video right here, and that will give you lots of great information about that. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.